This video lesson is on describing characters for the book Under the Lemon Moon. Our main character is Rosalinda, and that is the one that we're going to be describing the character. So for this assignment, after listening to the video of the story and then watching this video, you're going to click on Describing Character Differentiated. You're going to make a copy of it, and I already have 4 character traits that Rosalinda has. The first one is that she's persistent, and persistent means that she keeps trying at something, that she doesn't give up. Brave means that she is courageous, she has courage, and she does things that are brave. Positive means that she always thinks the good in things or in people. So if somebody is positive, they are always thinking about the good things. They're always thinking about the best instead of always thinking about the worst. And the last one is determined, and that is kind of like persistent, but it's a little bit different in that she keeps trying different things. So she's determined to get to the bottom of what happened with her lemons and find a way to solve her problem. She's determined to do that. And so it's kind of like persistent. You might have the same text evidence. So what you need to do is you need to type in here, and you need to find text evidence in the story. And you can go back and listen to the story anytime you want to. The story is here, and you can also make a copy of the book. So if you click on this, you can look at it anytime you want to and find text evidence, or you can listen to the story again. Once you're done, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take a screenshot. So you're not going to be, you could share it if you wanted to, but I would like you to take a screenshot once you're done. Right here. So you're going to take a screenshot, and then you're going to upload it to the assignment, today's assignment.